Tell you the letter and you write it, okay?
Okay.
You write Mommy A.
Which there?
Oh no, this one. Dito big. One letter lang sasabihin ko. Mommy A. Oh, you show it. What letter?
A.
A. Very good. Oh, you erase it. Oh, you're right. Mommy E. E. Oh, you show it. E.
E.
What letter?
E.
E. You erase it. Ready? Mommy I.
Ganon?
I.
Ay ganon?
You write it.
Ganyan? Ay ganyan.
Oh, you show it. What letter?
Ay.
Ang layo, ang taas naman ng ano mo, lines mo. Dito lang, oh. Masyado nang mataas. Oh. You erase it. Next letter. Mommy O.
Mami ako. Okay. Okay.
Show it. Very good. Oh, you erase it. Huwag masyadong dulo, Brielle. Dito lang sa gitna. Oh, last. Mommy U.
Mami.
U. You show it. What's that?
You.
Mommy U. Okay. You erase it.
What's next? I want
Small letters.
I want more.
Small letters.
Madami.
You erase that first. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Small A.
Mm,
Baby A.
yeah. Yeah.
What's that? You show it.
Mm,
You show it.
okay.
Ulit. Oh, you show it. What's that?
A.
Small or big?
Small.
Small letter A.
Small letter A.
Okay. Very good. Next. Small letter E.
Small letter
E. Dito ka kasi sa gitna mag-write. Nabubura o. Dito sa gitna. Oh. Show it. What letter?
E.
E. Small or big?
Small.
Small. Next. You ready?
Yeah.
I.
I.
Baby I. Baby. Show it.
I.
I. Nasaan yung tuldok dito? Ay, meron. Next. What letter?
I.
O.
O.
Baby O.
Baby. Yeah.
Very good. Next. You ready?
Yes.
Baby U.
Wala.
U.
Drawing.
No, you know that na, 'di ba? Baby U. U. That's I. Small U.
Ganyan.
U.
It's big.
What's that?
You.
Small or big?
Small.
Can you write letter B for Brielle?
Okay.
Ano yung first letter ng name mo? Oh, you erase that first. B. Very good. Can you write letter R for Brielle? Yung sa name mo. Yung gano'n, no?
Ganun?
Small R. Yeah. Very good. And then letter I. Small I.
Ganun.
That's a big one. Small nun.
Ayun.
Yeah. And then E. Small E.
Yung ganun. Ganun.
Di na sa baba. Hindi na kasha.
Ano yun? Ganun.
Yeah. E. And then L. Yung ganun lang. Line lang. And then L. And then E.
Even.
E ulit. What's that? Can you read?
Real Joey.
No, Brielle lang yan. You show it. Na-write mo na yung name mo. Anong read mo to? Ano yan?
Real.
Brielle. What letter is this?
Huh?
Ito.
Real.
B. Ito?
E.
E. Ito?
I.
Very good. Ito? R.
R.
This one.
Mami, ito pang heart naman to.
Ito. L.
L.
Very good. Okay, say bye na.
Bye-bye.